I'm using these LED motion activated lights under the sink in my bathroom cabinet to just bring a little extra light in an otherwise very dark space. You can tell how much light they add. This is the before and then after. It's just that little bit of something to help me find what I'm looking for. And I love that those lights automatically come on when I open the door. But you can really use them anywhere. In cabinetry, to light up a dark hallway, in your hall closets, or maybe even in your bedroom as a nightlight. They have a switch that you can use to either choose to have them on all the time, off completely, or the auto switch, which will work with the motion sensor. And then they're very easy to install because they are magnetic. They come with these little metal plates that have an adhesive on the back. So you start by putting these metal plates on the back of the light where the magnets are, and then sticking it to the surface you want to mount them, and then adding these little screws for extra security to keep those metal plates in place. And then when it comes time to charge the lights, you can just remove it from its spot, charge them with one of the two USB-C cables that comes with the lights, and then easily just stick them back with the magnets when you're all done. You can also choose between 5 different brightness levels. And I love that it comes with 2 charging cables, one for each light, so you can charge them at the exact same time. And it's really helpful that there's a red light while they're charging, and then that'll turn green when it's done. These are handy in so many different spots of the house, so I really think you're gonna like them too.